Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X2, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold power button. So we need to hold it a little bit longer. There we go. And once you have the boot options visible, select power off, and when the device turns off, hold power button and volume down at the same time. Now in a moment you will see the device's logo on the screen. Once you do, let go of the power button but keep holding volume down. Next, tap on your desired language, and there is our recovery mode. Now in here we only have, well, kind of like one option. We have the format data, which is basically a factory reset of the device. And then we have a reboot, power off, which are two ways of leaving this mode, and also online update, which just allows you to update the device. Anyway, I'm gonna select reboot device, okay, and this will bring me back to Android. And you can see we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.